There's a thief in your wallet right now, not a pickpocket, not a scammer, something quieter, something patient. You can't see them, you can't catch them, but every single year, while you sleep, while you work, while you celebrate, they steal a little more of your money. They've been doing it your entire life. Their name? Inflation. And by the end of this story, you'll understand exactly how they operate. Welcome to Analogy Studio. Today, how to spot the invisible thief and how to fight back. We're going to follow one man, one buried box, and a stack of gold coins that slowly turn to dust without anyone touching them. In a sun-baked village at the edge of a long dirt road, there lived a farmer named Ravi, hard-working, careful, the kind of man who counted every seed before planting season. He owned one prized possession, a sturdy brown cow that gave the richest milk in the village. In 2010, Ravi sold that cow to a cattle trader named Gopal, a loud man with dusty boots who haggled over everything. After an hour of back and forth under a neem tree, they shook hands. Ravi walked home with exactly 100 gold coins. That night, he wrapped the coins in old cloth, placed them in a wooden box, and buried it beneath the floor of his house. My money is safe forever, he thought. No thief can touch it here. In 2010, Ravi visited the market. Old Mira, the fruit seller with the crooked stall and the sharpest tongue in the bazaar, sold bananas for 1 coin each. Ravi's 100 coins could buy 100 bananas. He smiled. Life was good. 5 years passed. In 2015, Ravi dug up the box, every coin still there. He walked to Mira's stall. Same stall, same crooked wood, same sharp tongue. But the price had changed. Bananas now cost about 1.4 coins each. His 100 coins bought only 70 bananas. Ravi frowned. Your prices went up, he said. Mira shrugged. Everything went up. 9 more years crawled by. In 2024, Ravi opened the box again. Still 100 coins. Not one missing. He went to Mira's daughter, Preya, who had taken over the stall. Bananas now cost 2.5 coins each. His 100 coins bought just 40 bananas. Ravi stood in the middle of the market, box in hand, and stared. I didn't spend a single coin. I didn't lose a single coin. So why do I feel poorer? Because he was. The coins hadn't moved, but the world around them had. Prices rose, quietly, steadily, like water rising around a man standing still. The thief was inflation, and it had been inside that buried box the entire time. Here's what happened to Ravi, and what's happening to your money right now. Inflation is the slow, steady rise in prices over time. Every year, goods and services cost a little more, so the same amount of money buys less. Ravi's coins are your savings account. Mira's bananas are everything you spend money on. Groceries, rent, fuel, medicine. The real-world name for this is purchasing power erosion. Your dollars don't shrink in number, they shrink in power. Why does it happen? 3 main engines drive it. First, governments print more money. When more currency chases the same goods, prices climb. Second, demand grows faster than supply. More people wanting things than the economy can produce. Third, production costs rise. Raw materials, wages, and energy get more expensive, and sellers pass that cost to you. The average global inflation rate hovers around 3 to 4% per year. That sounds small. But compounded over 30 years, your money loses roughly half its purchasing power. $1 in 1994 buys about 50 cents worth of goods today. Same paper. Half the punch. Don't bury your money like Ravi. Savings that just sit. in a box, under a mattress, even in a zero-interest account, are slowly dying. Your salary needs to outpace inflation. A raise below 3 to 4% isn't a raise at all. It's a disguised pay cut. Cash savings lose value every year. $10,000 sitting untouched for 20 years at 3% inflation is worth only about $5,500 in real purchasing power. Investing isn't optional. It's defense. Assets like index funds, real estate, or inflation-protected bonds are how you keep the thief from emptying your wallet while you sleep. Understanding this one truth changes how you see every dollar you earn, save, and spend forever. Hit subscribe to outsmart the silent thief.